You guys, stick around if you want to learn how to make the most refreshing, amazing Greek Tzatziki sauce with pita bread. Let's get it, guys. Come on, stick around. Get 1/2 of a cucumber, cut it in half like so. Get a box grater, how ya doing, and shave that puppy down just like so. You want to shave it down to the tip, but be careful as you get closer to the tip because you can cut yourself. Next, we want to extract that good cucumber water. We don't want too much cucumber water, guys. We want these cucumber shavings to be as dry as the desert. Not quite, but pretty dry. So use a wood spoon, squeeze it out like so. You could use a cheesecloth, you could use a strainer. But I found if you don't have either of those things, a wood spoon technique like this works perfectly. So do that twice. And then once we're done squeezing out as much cucumber water as we can, let's go ahead and grab some salt. 5 to 8 pinches. It's for seasoning, but it's also to help extract some of that water content. Next, let's go ahead and grab our 5 to 7 garlic cloves, guys. Peel that skin off. How you doing? We don't want skin. Next, hit your processor or blender and just make sure you're on a puree or blend setting. Throw in your garlic cloves and get generous with the olive oil, guys. 4 to 8 shots as a baseline for the olive oil. And then next, we're going to add some white wine vinegar. 2 to 4 shots. Don't go too crazy on this one because it's kind of strong, the white wine vinegar. Next, we're going to add about a half or a quarter of lemon juice. So you kind of got to eyeball it. I start with about a quarter, maybe a little more, and then go from there. So blend it all up. How you doing? Boop, bada, beep, boop, bop. And I'm going to adjust. Guys, the easiest way to get the perfect flavor is to adjust on the fly. So I'm tasting and I'm adjusting. So we got this good garlicky olive oil vinegar here that we've blended up, and I'm just gonna add some more things, add some salt, add some more white wine vinegar, looking for balance here, guys. We don't want it too salty, we don't want it too garlicky, we don't want it too vinegary, somewhere in between, right? So just try to do your best to balance the seasonings. Next, grab your Greek yogurt. No RBST, guys. No RBST. It's bad for you. Don't do it. I'm telling you now. Go Google it. Add 6 to 8 generous tablespoons of Greek yogurt to a large mixing bowl. Now add that garlicky, vinegary, seasoned olive oil mix into the bowl. How ya doing? Boom, bada, beep, boop, bop. And let's combine those together. Taste and adjust, guys. As always, adding a little more salt, pepino. You gotta add what you gotta add. That's all I'm saying. You know your taste buds. I don't. Boom, bop, boop, beep. So we're good. Not quite, actually. I lied. So we're just going to keep adjusting a little bit here, guys. It's a process, but the way to get the best flavor is just to keep adjusting as needed. Next, we're going to take our almost dried out cucumber shavings and we're going to do one more squish of the coconut water, and now we're going to combine it with the Greek yogurt. So combine it well, stir it up as good as you can. Obviously you want to eat it with pita bread. How you doing? So heat up your pita bread and get a handful of fresh dill, guys. Fresh dill is the last thing. Chop it up and throw that bad boy in, and like everything, guys, combine. This is good. We want to stir it, we want to shake it, and just more adjusting. You know me, we're all about adjusting here, guys. Adapt, plate, and enjoy. How you doing? Boom, bada, beep. Enjoy it for refreshing Greek Tzatziki sauce. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Cheers.